How to use ChatGPT to write an essay or article. You probably heard the ChatGPT from OpenAI can write essay or documents. Let's see how to ask for it and how well it writes. So first, you need to know that there are two different interfaces. This one is basic and the other one is advanced. On the basic interface, simply ask an essay the theme that you want. So let's try this. Write me an essay about breakup. And here we go. This looks pretty easy, but there's a problem here. If someone else requests an essay on the same topic, it's very likely that they'll get the same result. Beware of that. Now, let's ask for the essay about breakup in 200 words. If you want longer essay, you will need to split them up and request each section individually as there is a word limit. In any case, this essay will not unique or even good. There is much better way to use an AI for this job. First, inform about the topic you want to write about. Then, ask AI to provide some introductory examples so you can get an idea of how to write. And for the main part, ask for a list of the most important events or things. Then, you can ask about each of them. If you need more items, just ask. Once you have all the information you need, you can rewrite it to create a good and original essay. The conclusion is the best written by yourself. This is the only correct and effective way to write an essay using AI. When writing a script or a vlog post, you can copy the entire text and ask it for a summary or tags. Now, let's look at the advanced playground interface. Here, you can do the same, but you have additional options. You can increase the maximum length or set the other parameters. In the right corner, you can choose one of the presets. ChatGPT can also understand almost all human language, so you can write in your native language or get the results. ChatGPT is a great tool for writing an essays, documents, scripts, and emails or anything else for school, job, or web content. I hope you enjoy and see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.